Friends, today's video is on the subject of expense ratio charged by various mutual fund houses. My name is Dinesh Arya and I'll bring such videos which is of interest to general investment public. You know, all the mutual fund houses charges their expense ratio a certain percentage of total asset under management. Recently, some of the mutual fund has announced increase in their expense ratio. I being investor in few of the mutual fund house, I have got mail saying that the expense ratio for a direct plan invested in Nifty or Sensex fund is increased. How can a mutual fund house overnight increase their expense ratio and just send a simple mail to investment people in their portfolio? These are all small investors who has put their hard-earned money, and every expense ratio increase will reduce their total outcome at the end of whenever they withdraw their money. In fact, if the asset under management is increasing every year, the expense ratio must go down because the volumes are increasing. Instead of reducing the expense ratio, mutual fund must answer as to why they increase the expense ratio. If you see in any manufacturing sector, they try to find out some innovation so that their input costs are reduced and they do not pass on cost increase to their customer. Similarly, mutual fund must also find out some method by which they can reduce their costing. In case of Sensex fund or Nifty fund, their expenses cannot be very high because they do not need very large team to do any research and other activities. They are just following Sensex or Nifty. That's all. In such cases, they have no right to increase their expense ratio. Hence, my request to all mutual fund houses that they must reduce the expense ratio or maintain as they were there last year and do not increase such expenses. It is again found that leading financial newspaper has not brought any stories about such increase in expense ratio. In fact, they must be vigilant enough to bring to all the investment community that such and such things are happening, and they must also found some resistance to be developed so that mutual fund industry cannot just go on increasing their expense ratio as per their requirement. They have to find methods of controlling the expense ratio because people who are investing in the mutual fund is a hard-earned money. Every small percentage increase in expense ratio makes substantial difference if they are investing their money for a very long time. Hence, my request to all investors that they must also make resistance to mutual fund houses and prevent them from increasing their expense ratio. This is Dinesh Arya signing off for the day.